Okay guys, quick video about comments. Let's go to agenda. First topic, what is a comment, why do we use them, then types of Java comments and a few examples. Okay, let's move on to first topic. What is a comment? Simply, it's a statement in a program in our code that is not executed by the compiler and interpreter. That means when we execute our program, the code which is commented won't execute, will be avoided. Okay, next topic. Why do we use them? We've got few reasons why to use comments. First of all, to make the program more readable by adding the details of the code or some explanations. Second, it makes easy to maintain the code and to find the errors. Okay, next reason, to provide information or explanation about the variable, method, class or any other statement. And the last but not least, to prevent execution of program code while testing alternative code. Right, when we've got some line of code, we want to, comment it and try something else and see the difference. So that's why we can use it. Okay, let's move on. Types of Java comments. We've got three types of Java comments. First of all, single line comment dedicated only for one line, then multi-line comment dedicated for multi-lines, and documentation comment dedicated for documentation. That's all. And let's go now to examples. Okay, let's start with one line, single line comment. We have to add // and everything what is after that is commented. Let's say single line comment. So that's the comment. We don't have any error here. When we remove // we've got an error, right? And when provide it again, it's everything all right. The program still works. We can see that. Okay. Alright, hello world is already printed out. We can use here on the code on print line and see what happened now. The code shouldn't be executed. Okay, we don't have any output here, so everything's work fine. Okay, next example, multi-line comments. Let's see how it works. We start with / and star. This is our beginning. Then we put enter and up here again star and /, but in other order. And between those two, we can provide multi-line comments like multi-line comment. So that's all, nothing more. Okay, and the last type of comment, it's dedicated for documentation, as you already know. We start with the /, it's changed the color to green as you see, and we put enter and we've got another star and / where is actually the end of the comment. And between we can provide some comments here, right? Multi-line comment for documentation. Alright, so that's how it looks like, and yeah, that's all.